Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the new MacBook Retina 13, A1932, A2179, A2337, A1706, A1708, A1989, A2159, A2251, A2289, A2338 laptop LCD screen display assembly. This incredible display assembly is specifically designed for a range of MacBook models, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. First off, let's talk about the display quality. The new MacBook Retina 13, A1932, A2179, A2337, A1706, A1708, A1989, A2159, A2251, A2289, A2338 laptop LCD screen display assembly boasts stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and crisp details. Whether you're working on graphic design projects, watching movies, or just browsing the web, this display will truly elevate your experience. Next, let's discuss durability. The new MacBook Retina 13, A1932, A2179, A2337, A1706, A1708, A1989, A2159, A2251, A2289, A2338 laptop LCD screen display assembly is built to last. With top-notch materials and precision engineering, you can count on this display assembly to withstand the demands of daily use without skipping a beat. But here's the best part, this display assembly is incredibly easy to install. That's right, you don't need to be a tech expert to give your MacBook a stunning display upgrade. With a few simple steps, you can have your new display assembly up and running in no time. So, why should you consider investing in the new MacBook Retina 13, A1932, A2179, A2337, A1706, A1708, A1989, A2159, A2251, A2289, A2338 laptop LCD screen display assembly? Well, if you're someone who values high-quality visuals, seamless performance, and hassle-free installation, then this is the perfect upgrade for you. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get your hands on this amazing display assembly. Trust me, once you experience the difference it makes, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your MacBook to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.